Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to tell you about how can you change the color background of the VS Code. So if you worry about changing the color, if the color is something looks like that black one or the dark one, you just need to go on the setting. So firstly we have to don't worry about it. We go to the setting which is on the left side. You could see that on clicking that you would have to click on the setting. Then there you will see that there is a theme and you have to click on the color them. After clicking on the color them, you will see that there are some few options there. So actually the one I am using is the dark one, and the first one is this is on the light. And there are various of these colors. There are options in which whichever you want you can click on this. So this one, the dark one, which I am currently using, and if you want to change it to light, after clicking on the light, you could see that it has changed into white one. And again, if you want to change it to black, go to the them, setting, them, color, and again change it to the dark. So that was all about the changing of the color background of the VS Code. So thank you.